GST rate revision, notification, number 15, 2025. Comprehensive service rate restructuring effective 22nd September 2025. The central government issued this notification following GST Council recommendations, amending the principal notification 11/2017 central tax rate, dated 28 June 2017. This represents a fundamental shift towards simplified GST architecture with rationalized service taxation. Key legislative sections, Sections 9, 11, 15, 16, and 148 of CGST Act 2017, plus Sections 5, 6, and 20 of IGST Act 2017. Previous structure was multiple complex GST slabs created compliance challenges and interpretational disputes across various service categories. New simplified framework is streamlined to 3 primary slabs, 5%, 18%, and 40% with clear ITC provisions for enhanced business clarity. An implementation timeline is most provisions effective from 22nd September 2025, with specific hotel accommodation clauses from 1st April 2025. Transportation services, key changes, goods transport by rail, 2-tier structure, 5% IGST, 2.5% CGST with ITC restrictions, or 18% IGST, 9% CGST with full ITC availability. Multimodal transport, non-air routes, 5% rate. Air-inclusive routes, 18% rate. Clear distinction eliminates previous ambiguity in mixed transport modes. And goods carriage rental, when fuel costs included, 5% with ITC restrictions or 18% with full ITC. GTA definition excludes e-commerce local delivery. Job work services. Classification diamond. Job work, specialized rate for diamond processing and treatment services, recognizing industry-specific requirements. The rate is 1.5%. Essential goods processing. Food products, textiles, newspapers, books, bricks, handicrafts, and umbrellas benefit from reduced taxation. The rate is 5%. Standard job work. Alcoholic liquor processing and other general job work services attract the standard rate with full ITC. The rate is 18%. Here is the rate comparison analysis. Here is the rate comparison table for postal service, multimodal non-air, beauty and wellness, betting and gambling, and job work related to textiles. Here is the service-specific provisions regarding postal and courier services. Uniform. 18% IGST, 9% CGST rate eliminates previous variations. Local delivery services through e-commerce operators are explicitly excluded from GTA definition. Beauty and wellness, spa and salon services at 5%, IGST 2.5%, CGST with ITC restrictions. Miscellaneous services like laundry and cleaning at standard 18% rate. Sports services. Recognized sporting events receive exemptions, whilst betting, gambling, and horse racing attract the highest 40% IGST, 20% CGST rate. Here are the critical definitions and clarifications. Handicraft goods definition. It is linked to notification 32, 2017 CT, providing clear boundaries for traditional craft services and processing activities. Multimodal transport terms. Explicit definitions for multimodal transporter and transport modes eliminate previous interpretational challenges in mixed logistics. Premises. Clarification. Hotel accommodation service premises clearly defined, with specific effective dates from 1st April 2025 for these provisions. E-commerce exclusions. Local delivery services through e-commerce platforms explicitly excluded from GTA classification. Addressing modern business models. Here is the business impact assessment. Compliance simplification. Streamlined rate structure reduces classification disputes and enhances predictability for service providers across sectors. Sectoral benefits. Textiles, printing, and small-scale job workers benefit from consolidated lower slabs, improving cost competitiveness. ITC clarity. Clear ITC rules for multimodal transport and goods carriage rental eliminate previous ambiguities in credit utilization. What's next for tax professionals? Immediate actions, Review existing service classifications against new rate structure. Update billing systems and compliance procedures by 22nd September 2025. Ongoing monitoring. Track related notifications 09-2025, 10-2025 for goods rates and compensation cess. Monitor clarifications from tax authorities on implementation. System updates. Modify GST return filing processes to accommodate revised rates. Train finance teams on ITC implications for affected service categories. For detailed guidance, reference sections 9-148 of CGST Act 2017 and connected IGST provisions.